Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. In this video, I want to look at a problem that would further explain the concept of wave characteristics to us. Now, in our previous video, we explained wave characteristics. We mentioned a certain number of characteristics. We mentioned wavelength, the wave number, the phase angle, and so on. In this video, I want to look at a problem that explains one of these concepts better to us. Now, let's see. A progressive wave has a wavelength of 20 cm. So our wavelength given is 20 centimeter. It said calculate the phase difference. And what is the symbol for phase difference? Phase difference is denoted with this symbol. And remember, phase difference is an angle, right? So it's the difference in angle between two waveforms that are displaced from each other. Now calculate the phase difference between 2 points at a distance of 5 centimeters. So the distance of these two waves is x, which is 5 cm. Now let me use a figure to explain this to us. Now say we have one wave like this, and then we have another wave like this. So this distance is what they gave us as 5 centimeters. And remember, if this distance is measured along the x-axis, then it means that x is 5 centimeters, right? Yes, which of course it is measured along the x-axis. Then if we want to convert this linear displacement to angular displacement, the angular displacement between these two waveforms is what we know as phase difference or phase angle. So that is what we want to find. Now we know that phase difference phi is kx, and k represents wave number, where we know that k itself is 2 pi over lambda then times what? X. So if I use this formula, I should be able to get the value of my phase. So my phase difference is going to be 2 pi divided by my wavelength, which is 20 centimeter, multiplied by my x, which is what? 5 centimeter. Now, why am I not converting in this problem? It's simply because you notice my cm would fizzle cm, so it won't affect my answer, right? Yes, so that when I solve this, I will then have my phase, this 2 times 5, which is 10. 10 divided by 20 is 0.5. So I simply have 0.5 pi, and the answer is in radian. So the answer to this question is 0.5 pi radian. So I believe this is really very clear to you. If you value these videos, please do well to hit the subscribe button so that you get more updates when I post more videos. Like this video so it will get to more audience. Comment and share with 10 of your friends. Tell them this is Prime Concept. Thanks for watching.